You probably didn't know that you can start making money with Amazon without selling anything, running any ads, and without even buying inventory. You don't need 10,000 followers. You don't need to go viral. You don't even need to do anything crazy like buy a fancy camera, register a business, none of that. All you have to do is record simple product review videos online using this thing right here. So in this video, I'm going to be walking you through step by step how to get approved for the Amazon Influencer Program in 2025, even if you've never made a single dollar online. And if you're wondering, no, you do not need to be an influencer in order to do this, and you'll understand why by the end of this video. In my opinion, the Amazon Influencer Program is hands down one of the most slept on opportunities to make money with Amazon right now. And trust me guys, I have tried everything when it comes to selling on Amazon. I have flipped products through the arbitrage method. I have sold and published books directly on Amazon's Kindle Direct publishing platform, and I have built multi-million-dollar brands on the platform itself. And the influencer program allows us to make hundreds of dollars per month passively with old videos that we uploaded months ago that are still paying us to this day. And it is how we have helped everyday people go from $0 to making their first dollar online by filming simple product review videos. Even if you have no audience, it doesn't matter. We have helped people with under 200 followers get approved for the Amazon Influencer Program. The trick is knowing what Amazon is looking for in that approval process. We have helped thousands of people build an income stream online. And today, we're gonna be giving you the exact checklist in order for you to get approved for the Amazon Influencer Program, one of our favorite ways to make money with Amazon. So if you want an easy way for you to get paid by posting simple review videos from home or even on vacation, I'll be walking you through the exact step-by-step with you right now. So guys, as you can see, this is my Amazon Influencer dashboard, and this is where I can actually track the commissions, the products that are actually making me money continuously. Okay, so in the month of March, as you can see here, March 1st to March 31st, 2025, we made $283 USD in commissions. Our peak, to give you perspective, was we made a total of $311. Okay, not bad. And on top of that, let's even take a look at the last 7 days here. Because of Prime Spring Sales event, I'm going to pop up our last 7 days. You know, we made $86. So right now we're on pace to have our biggest 30 days in the history of this. And we've really just been taking this seriously over the course of 2025. So my strategy here is simply just spending 30 minutes a day in order to record videos. And these are just everyday household items, extremely simple. And you know what's crazy? That $300 USD as a Canadian is giving me probably 4 nice dinners downtown in Vancouver at a steakhouse. So as you can see here, guys, in the dashboard, these are all of the products that we kind of have live right now. I can sort it by revenue. So the amount of revenue that I've actually made for these different companies. So let's take a look. As you can see, my Dyson, you know, I've sold 3 units of that and we made $1,100 for them just by recording these simple review videos. I made $45 in commission. What's crazy is the third one here in the last month is this mic. This mic that I'm recording off right now has actually made me $16.74. I didn't buy this mic in order to record a review video on it. I bought it and then I recorded a review video because I use it and I can give an honest review on it. And for that reason, I can make commissions quite passively every single day from this product. So let's talk about getting approved now. Like I said, you don't need to be an Amazon influencer. All you need is an account of some capacity. We're talking TikTok, Instagram, even a YouTube account that has some form of activity and even more specifically engagement. So if you're someone that is actively posting on these social networks, then you can easily get approved for this program. But if you're not, there are a lot of people that don't typically use social media. All you really need to do is spend the next 7 to 30 days posting 2 to 3 times per week. I recommend posting some form of short form content, a reel or a TikTok, in order to get approved. And as you know, TikTok is hands down the easiest way for you to get engagement without a following. And for that reason, TikTok is going to be the easiest way for you to get approved for this program. So again, guys, to reiterate, in order to get approved here, it's not about the followers, it's about the engagement. So now that we have the influencer part out of the way, there's going to be 2 steps of approval specifically on Amazon that you're going to need to go through. Now I'm going to show you exactly where to go in order to get approved. So guys, the first step is for you guys to head over to this website right here, and I'll make sure I leave this link in the description. This is where we're going to go ahead and sign up to be an Amazon influencer. And in other words, sign up for the Amazon Influencer Program. So make sure you've gone through the step prior to this and ensure that you have engagement on your account before you do this. Now, that being said, it's not the end of the world. You can apply for this as many times as you possibly want in order to get approved. So when you guys go ahead and hit sign up, all you need to do is number one, either link an existing account. So if you have a buyer account, go ahead and link that, or you can go ahead and create a new account if you wish to do that as well. You're going to then go through a few steps, personal information, and on top of that, you're going to link your social media account. The next step is getting approved for what we like to call on-site commissions. So as you can see here, okay, I am approved for on-site commissions, and I can tell because on my storefront, it says I earn commissions. All of the videos that I post are going to say that I earn commissions, and you need to get approved for this step. When you do this, okay, and you come into your dashboard right here, you're going to have a little lock, okay? And your goal is to get approved by uploading 3 simple videos. Okay, you don't want to overcomplicate this step in specific. We want to upload 3 videos that are compliant to Amazon's policies. And once those videos get approved and they go live, then you'll get approved for on-site commissions. Now, guys, this part is so important because you only get 3 tries to get approved for on-site commissions. The mistake that I made when I first started off was I filmed literally 50 videos and I went and uploaded all 50 at once. I really could have butchered myself, and I probably wouldn't have got approved for on-site commissions, but I had a little bit of luck on my side on that day. What you need to do is just get 3 videos approved. That's it. Do not overcomplicate them. Give them a short, honest review. Don't go off of a script. All you want to talk about is some features, some benefits. Do you recommend this product? And that's it. Keep it within 30 seconds, upload those 3 videos in specific, and then you'll get approved, and then you can go crazy afterwards. You know what? Instead of me explaining everything, let me actually show you an example of how you should record your first 3, let alone all of your Amazon review videos moving forward. Now, before we dive in, guys, make sure to just keep it extremely simple. All you need is your iPhone to record. Be in a quiet environment. You don't need a mic. You don't need any crazy technology. Keep this extremely simple. I'm going to go ahead and use my blue Yeti tumbler as an example. For your first 3 videos especially, find simple products like this that aren't technical, and that way you don't go off of a script and you can just simply talk about the color, maybe the stainless steel finish, the 40-ounce size. Keep it simple. Recommend the product at the very end of the video, and that is it. So let's take my blue 40-ounce Yeti as an example. I'm literally going to record this review video for you here, and then afterwards I'll recap on what I recommend, especially for the first 3 videos, but even the videos moving forward. In this video, I'm going to be giving an honest review on this 40-ounce blue Yeti tumbler. It has a nice blue sleek finish with some stainless steel accents, a straw that it comes with a stopper on the bottom. One of the biggest features that I love personally is the fact that it fits into pretty much every single cup holder. This thing keeps your water cold for as long as you possibly can imagine, and I highly recommend this product if you're looking for a high quality tumbler. So guys, as you can see, super simple. Open it up saying that you're giving a review on this video. Add some features, things that you like. Have your Amazon listing open beside you because that's going to give you those features and benefits that you can actually talk about. And then close it out saying that you highly recommend the product, and hopefully that will convince the person to convert on the listing and you can get a commission on it. So now I'm going to show you one of my best sellers. This is this North Face jacket. It was a nice cold morning and I went for a walk and I'm like, hey, let me just go out and bang out a review video. Take a look at this. It is currently -3 degrees. We're out for a walk with the dogs and I'm going to be reviewing my North Face jacket here. This is dual layered with a fleece on the inside and obviously waterproof on the outside. Removable hood. Amazing to break wind, extremely warm, highly recommend for honestly all settings to be able to go from fleece to waterproof. You have the ability to use this in the summer if you really wanted to, just as a rain jacket, or if you're going to hit the slopes or going for a walk in -2 together, just like we are today. It is perfect, honestly. Great, high quality product, highly recommend it. So as you can see, guys, I really just went with the flow there. I gave an honest review on my experience with the product. No fluff, nothing fake. This is what you think about the products that you've tried, used, even seen that you think you can give a review on. So guys, the next step is we're going to show you how you're going to leverage the Amazon Creator Hub to upload your videos so that they can go live on the product listings. So as you can see, guys, this is our Amazon Creator Hub. Okay, and all you're gonna pretty much do is come into here and you can upload, you can even drag and drop, and you're just gonna add a title, you can add a thumbnail, and then you're pretty much good to go. Now, a couple things to note is, I don't think there's a secret formula for this. We like to do a mixture of like honest review, must watch, different types of things that you can add into the actual title of the product itself. When it comes to the thumbnail, you can see that we don't actually really like to capitalize on the thumbnail. We haven't uploaded a thumbnail for a really long time. Where we start to upload thumbnails is actually when we see results, and then we'll go make a thumbnail knowing that we can hopefully stay in the organic rankings a little bit better. When it comes to creating a thumbnail, just have simple text, a good call to action, and use some red arrows actually pointing at the product, and that should help you stand out and hopefully get you more views to help with those conversions and commissions ultimately. So guys, this is how you are going to make your first $100 with the Amazon Influencer Program. What I'm going to get you guys to do is I'm going to get you to walk around your house. Take a note of all of the products, like everything inside of your house right now. Even if you didn't purchase that product on Amazon, but you know that it is on Amazon and you can give an honest review on it, do it. Create the review and do this every single day until you make your first $100. You know, sometimes I feel like I'm running out of products, but I kid you not, there is an infinite amount of products inside your house. Even today, I filmed 24 product review videos. Take a look at my camera roll here. All I did was I opened my sink, my cabinets underneath my sink, and I filmed almost every single one of my hair products that I had and my skincare products, and boom, just like that, I had 24 videos done within 30 minutes. Now, when we talk about scaling up, keep in mind, we're only at $300 per month current state. Right now, it's volume. Record as many possible videos as you possibly can, especially if you're not good behind a camera, you want to get good, and then it'll start to become second nature for you. But as you want to be more focused, maybe you want to spend less time doing this, you're already making passive income coming from those videos that you uploaded months before. What you can start doing is start focusing on more higher ticket items, because you know that the commission that you'll earn is going to be significantly higher. And I know that you guys are purchasing products on Amazon. Let's be real here. So I'm going to show you a quick hack that you need to be aware of when you're purchasing your next few items. So let's say that I wanted to buy a portable sauna like this. There's a couple things that I want you to look at. Okay, as you can see, this product right here looks very similar to this product, looks very similar to this product. The reality is they all probably do the exact same thing. What I want you guys to do is I want you to look for two things. Number one, I want you to look at the amount of units sold per month. The more, the merrier here. For example, this one sells 3,000 units per month. Now, when I go and click into this product, okay, the second thing that I want you to look at is, as you can see, in the 7th image in the carousel, you can see that there's videos. Okay, there are two different types of placements for your reviews. The first one is going to be in this video section, so you can see all of the people giving reviews directly in here. And the second one is going to be at the bottom. As you can see here, there is a second carousel. When your video is down here and you don't have the opportunity to be up here, you have significantly less visibility. Now, in fact, if you really wanted to spend your time wisely, I would focus on making the videos that have videos in the carousel first. Now, as you guys start to do this more and more, when I was between 50 to 100 reviews, I actually started to have brands reach out to me and offer me free products. Now, as a quick warning here, there is a lot of junk out there. Trust me when I say this, you want to make sure that you're giving genuine, honest, and authentic reviews about products that you actually like. So make sure you review their listing before you agree to reviewing that product for them. Now, as a quick trick here, guys, what most people don't realize is you can actually upload multiple videos of the exact same product. The first thing that you can do is, if you were making money with one product and it starts to die out, you can literally download that video, re-upload it again, and hopefully it refreshes to the top of the algorithm, which means the same video, a fresh upload, more views, and more money for you. And on top of that, if something is working so well, you can capitalize on that. When you know that you're making $50 a day from a product, as an example, go and make that review 3, 4, 5 different times and upload all of those as different review videos on that exact same listing. And hopefully you can take all of those top carousel spots that I showed you in that 7th image, which means you have a very high likelihood that you're gonna get your videos watched as opposed to the other people that are on there. So there you have it, the easiest and the fastest method for you to get approved on the Amazon Influencer Program in 2025. And having tried multiple business models on Amazon, let alone in general, this has got to be hands down the easiest way for you to make money online in 2025. Because again, guys, all you need is your phone and an internet connection, and you can start earning an income online. So if you want to get started today, we have a free for a limited time community and a free training below. So that's it for today, guys. I'll see you guys inside the group.